For me, it's a personal project. I enjoy classical music. I wanted to partner with the leading organization in Jamaica, in classical music, which is the Philharmonic Orchestra of Jamaica. And so it was a natural progression for this collaboration. I want to also give back to Jamaica. I'm Jamaican. I live in the States. I'm an opera singer. I'm also an accountant. And so for me, being able to bring this in my local community is very important. Giving back, important part.
And I'm sure you're excited and anticipating something big in November. Tell us, what I know you have a lot of something special to bring, right?
Yes. It's exciting. It's. I think it's the first ever in Jamaica. You will have this level of inclusivity in the music program, the concert. We will have a bit of opera. We'll have some jazz. We will have some spirituals. We'll have Broadway tunes, right? And so the idea is to have an all-inclusive musical exchange, right, between the Philharmonic Orchestra, the Concert Chorale of Harlem, and the audience.